Yo, what's the word? I'm back with another freaking video, my bro. My boy, what's the word? Unfortunately, it is not the morning. Unfortunately, it is the nighttime. And you seeing me this late at night, it's something serious. Right now, I don't know if you can see, it is now 8:02 p.m. I have a load to pick up at 10 p.m. So I'm an hour away. I'm actually gonna try to head there a little early because I got some sleep. Don't worry, I got some sleep. This is normally not my time of night to be driving, but I gotta do what I got to do, right? All right, you know it. Yeah, but nah, I got a load I gotta pick up. It says the load pick up at 10 p.m. tonight. But we're gonna go and see if the load is ready earlier than expected because if I could get it now and hit the road, I'll go. I did get some sleep. It is Friday, the 4th of April. Yeah, it is late. I gotta reset from my previous videos or whatever, whenever whatever the video was before this. I gotta, the load and I had to do a reset and then I did y'all see go watch the video before this video. So yeah, we're just doing our pre-trip before we get started on the road. So that's what we're doing right now. Right now we're just going over, we're looking over the truck. You know, if you watch the other videos, see we did a PM service on the bad boy truck here. PM service did check all my tire pressures, they did grease. We still didn't connect yet because we just backed up and we didn't check anything. I mean, we didn't connect to the trailer yet. My bad for saying not check, but we did check. So now we're just doing a little PM check and checking the checky check. So we're gonna check the oil dipstick before we get on the road and before we crank her up and let the truck warm up to its warm-up elements. So that's what we're going to do now. Yeah, unfortunately, I really don't do night driving. This is really not my type of thing to do. But I'm gonna see how far I can drive tonight. I'm gonna see. It does says full, but I don't like how it's reading. And I don't. It's not really showing like it's full. Like, I don't get that. And the truck been on for a while. I don't know. Maybe it's the type. I don't see any excessive leaks or anything of the sort. Let's look at this one more time. I know I ain't bugging. It still seems like it's bone dry. I don't know. Why is it showing that? Like it's bone dry. And I have to wonder this guy. We're gonna start her up. So yeah, we got a load we gotta go pick up. So that's what we gotta do right now. We gotta go pick this load up in the night. I'm hoping it's ready now, so I'll go pick it up. It's about 40 miles away. So, we're gonna hope for the best. We're not gonna expect the worst when it comes to it being late to, Yeah, we're just gonna hope that it's ready right now. But we're gonna see. We're gonna start this truck up though. Should start up alright. I'm just looking at the oil PSI gauge, that's all. It jumped up to a... I'm just looking at that, but... Yeah, guys, listen. I'm not gonna hold you out a little bit any longer. I'm gonna connect it to this trailer, run down to the pickup, and... yeah, we're gonna run into the pickup, pick it up, and I'll get back here when I pick up the trailer. So, or if the trailer's ready, y'all know when I know, because y'all gon' you know. So listen, like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll catch you guys at the pickup. I'm out. All right, I'm here. So I did go to the shipping and receiving door. Hold on. And the dude seemed like I was annoying him because I came to freaking pick up my goddamn trailer. Like, bro, come on, like, I don't want to be here this late at night. He's like, oh, so there's two land store trailers in the door. There's two land store trailers in the door, which I don't know which trailer's mine. He was like, just check the trailers. So you want me to pull the trailers out the... I'm just like, all right, whatever. He was like, usually the paperwork is in the back of the trailer, and you could just easily just check, and you see the paperwork. One is in there for the driver, and I gotta sign one and put it in the thingy, in the mailbox, and yeah, all kind of crap dude was telling me. I don't mind, but come on. Like, where is the right here? I don't know. But they talking about we close. Like, I don't really need your help. I just need to know. I just really need to know where this trailer's at that I'm taking. But I guess I just have to just check for myself. I'm not trying to. It's too late to be going back and forth or have an attitude with somebody right now. It's really too late. It's way late right now. It's way past my bedtime. Yeah, I know I don't stay up this late at night, so I'm not gonna argue. I'm definitely not gonna be doing no arguing with no man, especially nobody that sounds like Vladimir Putin. Yeah, that's how he sounds. You need to look in the trailer and get the paperwork. I don't know if this is a good accent, but you get my drift. I was like, all right, whatever. I'm gonna just drop my trailer. There is two land store trailers in the door. I guess the best thing for me to do is just pull it and see. Cause yeah. I don't know. The lady only gave me a reference number. She didn't even give me a trailer number. So I'm thinking when I come here, I'll just say, hey, this is my pickup number and blase blase. But unfortunately, that's not how the cookie crumbles when I get here. So yeah, I don't know. Everywhere deal with this stuff different. I'm just trying to get my trailer. He's like, oh, you can stay here until the morning. Stay till what morning? I'm trying to get moving. But they are open. All you gotta really do is just say, hey, like, I don't know. the pickup time was 10 p.m. The lady said you got to pick up at 10 p.m. because by 10 p.m. it should be finished loading. So that's why I'm here at 10 p.m. And it's a little bit early. There's only 9:20, so I'm here early. So I'm not trying to be annoying to anyone this late at night. Just trust and believe. I would like to be sleeping at this time. So we have 2 trailers in these doors. And like that's the thing. Like, you know, I'm just gonna. We just gonna find out together. We're just gonna find out together. We're just gonna have to find out together. It seems like. So this is the first trailer right here. I'm about to back up to it, connect to it, and see. Like this is just crazy. Like, this is just ridiculous, man. Come on, bro. What's the problem, dude? Like, yo, it's not that serious. He could have simply just said, "Hey, look." That he could have just checked. He could have checked. He didn't want to check though. He didn't want to check. He just wanted to make. Oh man. Oh man. Sorry about that. That was a little bit aggressive. I'm sorry, people. All right, we connected. Let's see something. Let me make sure. All right. This is our trailer. We'll be good. He said the paperwork is in the back. So that's what we're gonna figure out right now. The paperwork is in the back. But why would the lady tell me to come at 10 o'clock? That don't make no sense. And they're giving me reference numbers and all those things, and I don't know. But we just gonna see. The only thing we can do is see what's going on. Yeah. Oh man, this is not the type of energy we need this late at night. This is definitely not the type of energy we need, especially when it's past our bedtime. So I'm not gonna I don't see the wheels chopped or anything. Let's just pull this forward and see. We're gonna pull it forward and see what's in the back. Once we pulled it forward just a bit. So we're going to, okay. Do I have my phone in my pocket? No, I don't. Okay. Okay. Let's go get the phone with the paperwork information, because I forgot that. So that looked like it. So if that's it, we good. We're already connected and everything. Just gotta wind up the. Where's my other phone? Oh, all right, here we go. So she did give me a reference number in my email. So I did see some type of number type thing. I'm hoping this is it. So we have a reference number 442. Nope, this is not my trailer. This is not my trailer. This is not it. So it's probably the other trailer then, because I see there's a reference number. The reference number is similar to this, but the last 2 digits is different. So I'm going to back this up and then check that trailer. What the dude could have did, he's already inside the warehouse. All he had to do was just say, hey, let me see the reference number of this trailer. Less hassle, you know? But now that everybody's so nice. Lucky thing I didn't wind this all the way up. Onto the second trailer. Yo, man. All dude had to do was just check, like, dang, yo. See why I don't really like people like that? I'm not gonna say I don't like people, but come on, bro. You know it's 1, 2, 3 for you to just check. I see how they do things here. At least I know for future reference. You know, I won't mind doing this because it's drop and hook on both ends. That's why I don't mind doing it. I'm going to their other distribution center out in Illinois, so it's not too bad. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. See one bit. That connection was a little bit more smoother than the first one, shall I say. All right. Okay, that's winded up a decent amount. This should be our trailer though. No doubt about it. They do have like a few other Landstar trailers on the opposing side of the building. This definitely should be our trailer. Could definitely pull forward a bit. I'm sorry to drag y'all along with me on my journey of trying to figure out what trailer. I don't know how it goes. Alright, take two. I got the phone in the pocket. Let's check it out from now. 4, 4, 2, 1. Hey, yep, this is my trailer. Alright. This is definitely my trailer. It has a strap on it already, but I'm gonna get an extra strap. Definitely gonna get an extra strap for that. I don't gotta use both of my straps. I gotta sign this, something like this. I just have to drop it in a mailbox. What mailbox though? Yeah, man, that's too late to be going through this struggles. Alright people, so we found the trailer. Definitely got our trailer. We got another trailer. So we're gonna find the mailbox that dude was talking about. Take one of my little straps. I do gotta send pictures to her. They said I had to take pictures and whatever, so send to her. Hey, and guess what? It's partially loaded, so it's not even full. So this is gonna be a very light load. So that's not bad. All right, let's go in the trailer. Let's see what's up. Put my flashers on and check my. Yeah, this is like. Yeah, now we got to do a pre-trip on this trailer. We got blinkers. We got signal there. Tires are quite alright. Okay. Both back. Signals, yep. Let's check these tires too while we at it. Tires is alright. Let's climb up in here. Okay. Well, I guess, you know, I'm gonna just put an extra strap because she did tell me to take a picture or whatever. So we're gonna do our best. I'm gonna put you out right here for a second because you know we don't got the POV visuals at the moment. Man, it is late. Okay. So this is our shipments. I'm gonna put an extra strap in here. That's for safety measures. But this is gonna be very easy to pull. Just because it's so light. Yeah. Vanity tops. These are like countertops and stuff. These are like cabinets and stuff. So I'm gonna take a picture and send it to her. See if the phone get a good picture. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Look at that. Perfect. Boom. All right. So we're good to go, people. Oh man. We're good to go. So I'm not gonna hold you any more longer. I'm gonna let you guys go now. But you guys have a pleasant good night. And I will either catch you guys somewhere down the road, maybe not. Or I'll catch you when the sun is shining again in the day. And we'll be somewhere in the US, somewhere, you know, somewhere down the road in the US of A. So, have a good night. See you again. Let me stop. I'm out. Peace. I've been doing too much yapping anyway. I'm out. Yo, what's good? Man, I'm not gonna lie. I've been asleep. I'm not gonna lie. I did the overnight driving like I told you I was. Just getting my reset back. Yo, when I stopped driving, I'm not gonna lie. I put everything down. I passed out like, whoa. So right now, it's 5:21 on Saturday. Where are we? I might even remember where we at, but I know I just found a spot to shut down and went to sleep. So right now, we are in, I think we're still in Ohio. Is this Ohio? I think we're in Ohio right now, to be honest. I'm at a Love's. No, yeah, I'm at a Love's. Yeah, I'm still in Ohio. I'm in Eden, Ohio. So, yeah, I'm here. I shut down around like 6 o'clock this morning because I got really tired. So, I am at a Love's. What was I driving? Oh man, it's something different. I literally just got up. I literally just got my 10-hour reset, so I'm gonna complete the drive today. I'm supposed to go. I'm gonna just shut down here. There's actually a petrol 4 minutes from my drop off, so that's perfect. So I'm gonna let's go there, shut down, do a reset there, get back up early Monday morning, drop a load, boom, 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 we on the road again, like Willie Nelson said. We are at a petrol. I mean, I said, Royal Ops. Right there. Yeah. So we up. Windows ready for the road again. Come with our pre-truck ready to go. So, you know, that's how come down. So, yeah. Oof, I'm telling you, man, overnight driving is something different. I did do a good amount of driving though last night, because I only have like 3.5 hours left to get there, so that's good. Something to give you out an update. So I'm gonna complete the drive now there. So I'm gonna give you some visuals on the way there. So buckle up and I'll catch you at the petrol. Good evening. The road. So I made it to Illinois. I'm in Wilmington, Illinois. I'm literally like, there's a petrol literally 1 mile away from my delivery. So I'm here. I'm basically here. I'm a day early. I'm gonna just do a little reset. Just start the week off early with a good clock. So that's a plus. To start the week off, the new week with a fresh clock, perfect. So I'm here. I'm just doing a little walk around of the truck. You know, my regular degular post trip. You know. Yeah. But we made it though. It wasn't a bad drive from where I was at yesterday in Ohio. It was like 3.5 hours drive, which wasn't too bad. I did see a truck flip over. I'm gonna drop the image of the truck that flipped over. I'll be like at that. It probably won't be, I don't know. But you're gonna see the picture of the truck that was turned over though, somewhere. And I'm just looking over the truck. Yeah, we're not too bad on the tires at all. This is what we call the post trip of the day. Yeah. But yeah, now we made it, people. We finally made it. We are in Wilmington, Illinois. I'm there early tomorrow. I might do some laundry and stuff. We're gonna look over the truck. Everything looks dandy. Why you remember this? We changed that the other day. It is what it is. Might buy a spare one and keep in the truck for the opposite side. Everything was all right with the truck. Made it to Illinois. It's a blessing I made it here safe and sound. I gotta give God thanks for that. So that's that. I am gonna be here for a day, chillaxing. A day early, I'm gonna reset the clock. So I can start Monday with a fresh 70 so I can run really hard the whole following of the week. So that's how that's gonna go. We have no complaints. We are grateful to be here, safe and sound. No hiccups. It was very windy on the way over here. Yo, wow, in the Midwest is so windy. Like, it was so windy, but I'm here. Thank you for sticking around. I will catch you guys back Monday morning when we drop this load off. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I will see you back Monday morning. blessed love all the time. And remember, like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Say something semi-ugly. Say I need to trim. I look better when I trim. Always remember, put God first. Blessings always. I'm out. Yo, what's the word? It is by. All right, I'm back. I was trying to say something, but I just couldn't say it. What's the word, people? I'm back. It is Monday morning with this load to Illinois. You know, I've been here over the weekend. I've been chilling. It is now 6:23 a.m. the 7th of April. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, it's freezing. It's below freezing degrees up here. I see why they call this the Windy City. But I'm up. Did almost 7 at 6:30. I'm gonna do a little pre-trip, and we gonna get some diesel here because yo, I ain't gonna lie, diesel here is mad cheap, bro. Like, you think I'm gonna go all the way back to where I'm coming from to go buy get diesel for like $3 a gallon? You stupid. Yo, right now where I'm at, I don't know if you can see, it's $2.10. There's a spot over more that's $2.08, but I'm not going that side though. I'm just get ahead. There's $2 difference, 2 cents different, bro. $2.10 a gallon. That's like gas. Well, I think gas is expensive and more than that. Well, look, see that green? Can you see? Focus. All right, but it's $2.10. So we definitely filling up on whatever we got. Even though I'm not that bad on diesel right now, but we gonna get that. So, you know me, normal, regular pre-trip in the morning. Cause that's the only way to start the morning. Start your morning with pre-trips. Pre-trip yourself, pre-trip your health. You get where I come from? So we're gonna check the oil levels. The oil, you know, we just did the oil change. So the oil's good. We ain't too worried about oil right now. I did disconnect from the trailer yesterday. So I do gotta reconnect back to that. I do gotta reconnect back to the trailer because I am disconnected. And it seems like it seems like air out of my bag went low. I don't know. I hooked it. So you know. But we're just gonna check the oil. And we're gonna get the truck started because it is freezing. And we want to be in the truck while it's warm, because it's freezing. So, yeah, you know. Yep, oil's full. Why I look plaka already? Why I don't look crispy gold anymore, man? Well, you're good on oil. It's not as black, but I guess, you know, it's oil. So I know we're good in that department, so we ain't too worried about that. Yo, this is break. So you know we up. You know I'm up. Whoa. We up. We about to full up on diesel. Because we got another load to pick up right after this. It's for Home Depot. Yo, it is cold. Got another load to pick up after this, so. Sorry. Hold up. Yeah, we got a load to pick up after this. I'm actually gonna make my truck run a little bit because I know I got a leak somewhere. I got airbags is low. Why? Yo, I'm telling you, roads make it so impossible for people to survive, bro. So much potholes. Like, we pay too much highway taxes for this crap, bro. Like, for real. Way too much highway taxes. It's ridiculous. But listen, let me get back to y'all when we drop the trailer. So, good morning. Have a blessed day.
Motivational Mondays. Get your ass up and go get some money, man. For real, dude. No time to lollygag, bro. Get up, get out there, go make some money. Get up off your rumpus. Go out there, go make some money, bro. There's chingalings out there to be made. Blessed mornings. To the president. I am out.
Yep, so we here. We're at the place. So a whole bunch of building stuff. These are mostly like, these stuff right here is like decks and all that stuff right there. So they did tell me to go to a door. The crazy thing about it, I only seen one Landstar trailer in here, like, yo, and there's already a Landstar driving here before me. Like, yo, this is crazy. I see literally one Landstar empty trailer. Like, yo. Bro, like, this is coming like a joke. I hope it's empty on this side, though. But there's some trailers on this side, but on the opposite side, I did see some trailers on this side. But the other side, there's only one Landstar trailer with doors open. So, you know, right now, that's not looking too good, especially with this dude. He was racing to come in here, and now I see why he was racing to come in here. See, he right there already. E40. See, he ready. Yo, this place just seems like a joke right now for me in the morning. Especially them saying I only seen one empty Landstar trailer. Like, what? And I got a load to pick up after this. Like, this is ridiculous. So we about to see what's going on in here, cause this. I don't see no Landstar trailers on this side at all. Like, none whatsoever. He gonna hawk that shit. This dude right there, he gonna hawk it. So I don't know. Unless they're gonna work on my I'm about to see. I don't see none over here at all. So let's see. How you doing there? It's gonna be Sean, S-H-A-W-N. Last name is Reynolds, R-E-Y-N-O-L-D-S.
And your phone number?
914-52. Okay, all right, no problem. 134 you said, right?
139.
Oh, 139. All right, no problem. Oh, 139. Okay, it's a live unload. 139. All right, so it's a live unload. All right. Remember 139, because I'll be forgetting shit so quick. Ah, 139. You remember what the number she said? She said 139. 139. So he got more stuff than I do. Remember when we was at the place when we picking up, he got the one that has more stuff in the trailer than I do. So, all right, that's fine. A lucky thing I told 139. A lucky thing I told my other pickup I'll be there by like between like 10. So it is what it is. I'm fine with that one. I would have been better if it was a dropping hook, but it is what it is. So yep, everything. We don't even got that much. Well, my stuff is on pallets, so my stuff's to be way quicker. Oh crap! Wow. What the? All right, I'm having some technical. You know the word. Okay, there we go. we don't got that much. So it's not bad. He got boxes though. So if they live unloading him, he gonna be here a while. But hey, it is what it is. We getting money. It's money Mondays. You heard? Get yourself up, go make some chicken, and get out there. We don't got that much, so we should be alright. We should be alright. 139. Oh man. Yeah, fine with me if it's a live unload. Yeah, he going in. 39. Mine should be very quick then. Mine should be very, very, very easy then. Because I got pallets. I don't even got that much. It should be good. You don't need to pull up anymore. Alright, so there goes our door right over there. So this is our door we're about to back into. Alright. This is time for some good visuals. With my driving, y'all probably won't say I suck at driving. I don't care. So he's probably dropping and I'm probably unloading. Hey, it is what it is. Catch the visuals, people. Catch the visuals. Alright, so we backed up. Chopped the wheels. So we at the door. Wheels is chalk. This is going to be a live unload. But people, you like my JB Hunt jacket? This is where it started, man. JB Hunt, bro. Cool, man. Don't play with it, man. Yeah, the lemon drop. All right. It's not the pumpkin patch. Yo, I'm a fool. But listen, I'm gonna catch y'all up at the pickup in the next video. I'm out.